Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we'll be talking about a dongle deck from Nice HGK, the Octave. Before we start the review, I want to thank Nice HGK for sending over the dongle in for review. Rest assured, this review is 100% my own personal opinion. The Octave is priced around $98 US. So let's start from the box. As we can see, the Octave has two colors. And then, here's the specs. Okay, let's just open the box. Here's the dongle itself. I have the titanium color. And below the dongle, we have our accessories. We get Type A adapter, C2C cable, a user manual, and then social media card and QC card. Okay, let me just open the cable for you. The cable is just kinda but at least it match the color of the dongle, so it look kinda nice-ish. And let's just grab the dongle. Okay, here's the dongle itself. Let's talk about the build quality. The build quality of the Octave, it's nice, but I was assuming at first that we have some kind of display or something, but no, there's only this small LED here. And then the back of the Nice HGK Octave is like this. And somehow this dongle shape or design kinda reminds me of the Luxury Precision W2 or something. But yeah, it is what it is. And we have a volume button, a play pause button, and then this is a gain switch. All the buttons and the switch feels really nice, like it has this tactile response when we flick it or when we press it. Actually, let me just yes, it's very tactile. And we have our jack, 4.4 and 3.5 single-ended, and the USB-C port. Okay, for the specs, the Octave uses Sabre ES9039Q2M paired with a dual SGM8262. It also has a companion app that you can download on their website that let you create a custom EQ and update the firmware. And the output power is rated at 550 mW at 32 ohms on the balance jack. Also, I tested the 650 and it can power it without any issues, so it's good enough. As for the features, it has this 10-band EQ using the companion app, and it supports 32-bit 768 kHz PCM and DSD-256. And let's just talk about the sound. For the sound, I obviously use the Octave connected to my Kiwi Ears Astral and then the Bell and my HD 650. As for the music, I use Apple Music covering J-pop, rock, EDM, metal, jazz, and rap. So, my first impression or like my impression of the Octave is that it has a nice weight on the lows and musical mid-range and a nice detail on the treble region. Let's start from the bass. So the bass is full-bodied, slightly thick with tendencies towards musicality, which is quite unexpected from ESS Sabre chip. And the mid-range, it's weighty and has that tendencies towards musicality again, unexpected from ESS Sabre chip. And for the details, it has nice details, adds slight sparkle to it, and it makes my Kiwi Ears Bell sounds more sparkly and alive. So the overall tonality of this dongle is that This thing doesn't sound like your typical surgical ESS Saber chip, and this thing has tendencies towards musicality but not to the point like i5 products, but still a lot more musical than a lot of dongle with ESS Saber chip. Now let's talk about the technicalities. For 98 USD, the technicalities are very good. As for the stage, it has medium size, it has definitely very clean black background and manages to stretch the stage of the Kiwi Ears Bell. And the imaging is good, no issues rendering holographic if your IEMs or headphones can present holographic imaging in the first place. As for separation and positioning, it's also very good. Sound placement is precise and I can easily pinpoint where sound's coming from, especially when paired with Kiwi Ears Astral. As for the detail retrieval, it's good. It picks up a decent amount of micro details, which I expect from a Saber chip. Okay, so the conclusion of this review. If you're in the market for a sub 100 USD dongle and you want more musical dongle rather than surgical, well, this gets my recommendation. It has that Saber technicalities but with a musical tonality, which I don't expect from a Saber chip dongle. Though one nitpick I have with this dongle is that it's quite hard to the touch. Also,
It's time.
I open a mixing and mastering commissions. Check my email right here just in case you're interested. Okay. Thanks for sticking with me until the end. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.